Alright, I'll let you put the screws back in. Put those 4 screws in.
Where did they go?
Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that. Hey friends, welcome back to Daddy's Son Gaming. My name is Milton and this is
Little Milton.
And we're here super excited because today we're going to be building a computer, right Milt?
Yes.
What did you name the computer?
I'm gonna name it T-0523.
Yes, and we're going to show you all the components that we're putting into it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave us a comment with your video request. And check us out on
Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and our other family channel, Thalia Fun Family. Thank you for watching.
And here we go.
Let's dive in. Okay, we're doing surgery. First we got
Alright guys, what do we have?
i5 11th generation. i5 1200K.
Yeah, we have an i5 Intel chip, 11th generation, K, so that means it's unlocked, and it says 319 on there, but we got a good deal on it.
Yeah, and
so
it's the computer's brain or mind, however you say it. It's like the brain.
It's the brain.
Let's go to
what are we putting next?
The mother.
Oh, the motherboard.
The mother. Their mother.
The motherboard. We got. What brand is this?
It's the Gigabyte brand.
Yep, Vision model.
Yeah.
And this is one of the smallest motherboard that they sell on the market. This is an ITX. So you go ahead. You can show them.
Too heavy.
What do we got here?
The mind.
This is the power.
Yeah, the power mind.
The power supply. We got the Seasonic.
It's a Seasonic GX dash 850.
Enough power.
Enough power for it to
Power everything.
980.
Samsung hard drive. How big is it? One terabyte.
1 terabyte, yeah. It's a G.Skull Trident Z Royal Z memory, and that got a discount on it. It was $100, but it right now says 218
Okay.
and 0 cents.
What else we got?
We got
Fans.
the fans.
RGB fans.
Yeah,
Thermaltake.
it's a Thermaltake.
We got a couple of them. What else we got?
Just to mention, the computer is Thermaltake 2.
So Thermaltake.
We got another Thermaltake. The bigger one.
The 14 fans. We're gonna size. 14.
Wait, the 14 fans.
No, it's a 14 size.
Amazing!
No. The chip you gotta handle with care because the oils in your hands
are pretty dangerous to it.
Yeah, here. Boom. That's the chip. Don't open it yet. We gotta remove here. There, up. That goes out. And that's where the chip goes.
The chip goes. I'll put it. I'll do it with care. Okay. Put the chip into the motherboard. Look at this. Is that right?
There you go. The chip is in there now. Now we're gonna close this.
Very gently so it doesn't like.
And then this will pop up when we close this. It's like a mouse trap. Move that thing away, Milton.
You can't just stay there. We need to lock it. Go lock it.
Boom. The chip is now in its place.
Make sure this goes off of it. And this is like a tutorial to show you how you build it.
Yes.
Yes. But it's gonna be a Thermaltake.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the memory.
The memory.
Milton's gonna be opening up the memory now. Go for it.
I did it. You just slide it off, so that's how.
Keep it down so we can see it.
The back. This is.
Don't touch the bottom of
This
it.
is the memory. Oh, I'm gonna take this because I like it. I'm gonna take that sticker.
So we're gonna install these in our motherboard. They're really nice, right?
What? Oh my!
Crystals.
Crystals.
Looks like crystals. It's a blink computer.
It's gonna be a fabulous computer with the crystals. Why did it come with the crystals?
That's the way we got them.
Oh, that's why it says Royal.
That's right.
Install the memory, so I'm gonna take it. This is a 16. Now we just need how you do this?
Put it right here.
There. Now you just install it. So that's how.
That's how you do it. You just gotta make sure you put a little force on it so you can hear it click. There you go. And you see this thing's grab it. Now it's grabbed. We got the Royal in there. Next one.
The Royal because there's crystals. Click.
Push a little. Push it. You see?
You push it.
Yeah, it's locked in.
There.
Now we got the RAM.
And
we got-
mine now. 'Cause I
Turn it
like
on.
it.
Milk. We have the chip in it and we have the RAM in there already.
Yes.
The process has started.
And I was supposed to be like this. You see, each of the memory has to be on each side. If there's if this goes and it ends here, then you need to switch it up. But if you do this, then I don't know what's gonna happen. And it comes with a sticker or it could come with a sticker. I want to put it here. Okay.
Now we're gonna install the fan to cool off the chip.
Yeah.
We gotta add the thermal paste. There's a paste that goes on here.
Okay. Now you have this.
Now we turn on the whole part,
Now you
the motherboard and everything. Turn it upside down.
make sure nothing falls apart, and you need this, and you grab this the SCD900 that we showed about. It needs to be 1 terabyte. I was gonna say gigabyte.
And we're gonna install it where?
Here.
In the M.2 slot in the back.
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
I didn't make this. So. Now you're gonna open it away again. You just take it away, and here it is. It's in a case because you don't want it to get damaged, so that's why you need to do this. Now I'm gonna which way is it? This way?
Just match up the tips.
There. Here.
Yeah.
And some force. We'll go
There
in.
you go.
There.
And now we just put it down. We'll put a screw there.
I'll put it down. Now we put the screw there.
Okay, let me get that screw for you.
And voila, it's done. And you need this little piece came in this little bag, so we just did it there, but we didn't do it. But next time you do that step, 2 screws. You need one to dig in it, and then if it has a hole, then you put another one on it. It's gonna be in this bag, and it'll hold it in place.
That's the hard drive.
The hard drive, the hard drive.
Very good. Now, we're going to be, Milton, we're going to be installing the fan to dissipate the heat from the chip when it's processing. Okay, so we just came back from Micro Center, so we really wanted to put this one in, but it doesn't have the clearance. This was a really good one. So we're going to put in a really bad one, but it looks a lot better in our motherboard. So we're going from the best to the worst, but we're going from better looks, right? It looks better
Yeah.
than this one.
But that's slower. It's so slower.
No, it just doesn't dissipate heat as well as this one. This was the one we wanted, but we got this RAM that looks bedazzled. So we gotta work with what we got. So here we go. We're gonna be installing this one, the low profile one. And here we go.
The bad one.
So we gotta screw down the fan here. So we got the tightening down of this fan, and I think it's going to look really cool looking. So Milton, you like this new fan?
Yeah.
Hopefully it works good with our system here. So this is the way it looks like, friends.
Back.
And there's the back with the plate on it.
Wait, why did you do that?
Huh?
Did you just do that right now?
Yeah. It's getting pretty heavy now. Try the weight.
Oh. I picked it up.
Yeah. The next part to this is we have to mount it on the computer. Here's the tower. Here's the tower, friends.
We put this on it.
What's this called?
The fan.
The motherboard.
The motherboard.
Yeah, but we did put the fan, the motherboard. We got the chip, the motherboard, the fan, the RAM, and the hard drive on. Now we're going to install the power supply. Right, Milton?
Yes.
All right, Milton's going to open the power supply, and we're going to see what it does. All right?
La 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 la.
We got some cards. We got this. We got more of those. Got a cushion. Hey friends, so we had to go change the power supply. So we got another one because the other one wasn't fitting correctly, and we decided to go with RGB color for the power supply.
RGB.
And here we go. You gonna open this? Oh, so let's see. Smell it. Smells the same.
Paint.
Yeah.
Oh,
How are the cables?
great. Rebel.
Oh man.
What?
They're not braided. That doesn't matter. Alright, go. Take it away.
Why do you want to? What does braid mean?
Braided means that they have a nice texture to them. But how to install this? Does it say? See if you can find out how to install it.
This is all in Japanese.
Huh?
This is all in Japanese, you know.
You don't speak Japanese?
Nope. It's
Alright friends, right now we are adding the top fan that's got RGB. So we're adding the 12mm RGB fan on top. We replaced it. We took out the stock. We want this computer to be bling bling. And lights make everything beautiful. Okay, we're going to check this out.
okay. I'm your assistant.
Okay, go ahead.
You're working. I open it.
Alright. We got here cables.
The real deal.
Put them right there.
The real deal going there. Okay.
I need the computer in there that comes with it.
Another one. Another one. You got your tiny little box.
That's what I need.
You don't get these mixed. Don't get these mixed.
Okay, so now we installed the power pack. We're just screwing down the screws here. All right, so we did all the wiring. We had to remove the memory because the wiring was a little complicated. I had to go to Micro Center to ask them about a question about the board. So supposedly this board doesn't have any HD audio. Oh.
Yeah.
Should we do this one too?
Yeah.
Good job. I thought you were going to take them apart. Be careful how you grab them.
Okay.
So you took off. What about both sides? Only one side has it?
Yeah, only one. Oh, no, both sides. Oh, both sides.
What about this side?
Yeah, both sides have it.
Alright, give me that one. Don't touch the bottom part.
Look. This one also, look.
Good job. Good job.
I saw it. I didn't want to look like you.
Amazing. You did a good thing there. I would have never caught that. So Milton took off the film.
Yeah. So it doesn't like get so it doesn't have bubbly. So it doesn't have bubbles.
Yeah, bubbles. Alright. So we got the power pack. We got most of the cables routed.
Yeah.
We had a little question with the RGB thermal take controller.
What was it? What was the question?
It's just about routing. The only problem we have, we don't have any USB
Cables?
let me see, USB.
I found this!
Put those to the side. Wait a minute. We're going to have to open the power supply one more time because I took out a cable thinking that we were going to use it, but maybe I can stick it in there. This one. So let me see. Can I reach? No, I can't reach it.
You want me? You want me? I'm thin.
No. Even your thing is going to do it. All right, here. Hold that. Now we're going to pull out the power pack.
What's
The power supply. Here.
Why do you have to do it again?
Because we got to add one cable to it. This one. We're going to add it. Pull it out. Add it to. Alright, I'll let you put the screws back in. Put those 4 screws in.
Where did they go?
Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that. Can't the power? Alright, look. That goes there. Now we gotta mount this someplace. All right, we got a lot of cables going on. Now we gotta take the video card now.
Video card. That's like.
Now we're gonna be installing this graphic card that matches the vision. Gotta get these cables to do what they want to do. You know. Here it goes. Let's see if it works. This goes in here. Wow, this is a real tight fit. How do we do this? Huh?
Maybe you slide it.
Wow, this is good. This is a challenge. We're gonna mount the graphics card onto the motherboard, into this slot right here. That's called a PCI Express slot. So it's going to go into here, and it should click into place. Hold on. All right, we're gonna have to lay this down. Watch out, baby. We're gonna lay it down. Usually it's done laying down. Laying down. Boom. I heard it click, and then we gotta. we just need, the card has been installed. The 2 screws that hold the mother card, the graphics card on top. Right here. So this is the way it's looking so far. We have a Vision motherboard and a Vision graphics card.
After this, we're gonna do a quick video.
The only bad thing is that these 2 ports over here are not going to work because the motherboard does not have the inputs for those. But we'll double check with Gigabyte on Monday. Okay, graphics card is in and it's secured. Okay, now we'll give it some power connection under control. We're gonna install for the 5th time the power unit. So here we go, we're gonna make the connections in the back. The back gets connected there, in there. Then this one gets connected here. Right there. And this cable connected back here. Alright. Then we got 1 graphics card up here. And then we got this little accessory. Okay, that click. Okay, now we push it in. All the way in. Okay. It's inside now. Now we're gonna bring her down here. And then we're gonna apply the screws to hold it in. Here to turn on the computer.
Yeah.
After how many hours?
After 9 hours.
Yeah, no.
Yes, we started.
Okay, hit the button.
We started at 11. This button?
Yeah.
It's not working.
Excuse me?
Oh, there it goes. It's just, it needs to, is that even spinning?
Yeah.
Oh, it has power. Look at those colors.
And behold. That looks so glorious.
Yeah, and now from here we have to install the operating system. Okay, here we go. We got the computer working. We got the guts here, the Vision 3080 RTX graphics card. We got the motherboard, the C90i, the fan, the memory, the RAM, and we got everything. It's operating beautifully. We double stacked these beautiful fans up here. When I say double stack, we got 2 fans on top of each other, working in unison and helping maintain this beautiful computer nice and cool. Any questions about it, please ask in the comments. We'll be more than happy to reply back to you.
Goodbye.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe and share comments below, and we'll do them.
Game over.
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button.
turn on the notification bell, comment below your video request.
Thank you for watching our video.